So,
hi guys, XPV Extreme here. Today we're gonna be eating crickets.
and this flavor is
Salt and vinegar.
Salt and vinegar. We were supposed to go the next day and buy different flavors, but he decided not to wait. So we're gonna eat the salt and vinegar. The guy that worked there said that they're gonna taste like potato chips, but I have no idea. So
let's go. Okay, we opened them up. Oh my god, how do you open it? Oh, come on. Oh my freaking god.
yeah, let me see.
Oh my god. Okay, there, I got it. Okay.
Get
So,
the bag just in case you want to throw up and spit it out.
hold on. Oh wait, here's the video. Okay.
Yeah. So these are actual real crickets.
Okay.
These are actual real crickets. They're not fake.
I'm going first.
No.
Oh, bon appetit.
Hold on.
Bon appetit.
People actually eat crickets
I know.
as food.
No, eat it! Eat the cricket! Eat the cricket already! Why not me and you? No, yeah, you first. Eat the cricket. Eat the cricket! Don't lick it, eat the cricket! Just put it in your mouth! Emily! Do I have to feed it to you or something? Just
Let's try to see if the ducks will eat it.
No! Just put it in your mouth. You want to own the video, don't you? We want to get subscribers. Subscribe to us.
And like this video, please. And we'll do the mealworm one.
Yeah, the mealworm. Oh!
Ew, I'm still eating it. It actually tastes pretty good.
Oh my god, Emily, your reaction. We're going to put them in slow motion.
Yeah. Oh, it fell.
Look, you're like this, look.
Ah!
Oh my god. Okay, go, put it in your mouth. Don't show me, put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth!
I thought I saw something.
Put it in your mouth. Just put it in there.
It's gonna taste good though. Crunchy. Actually pretty good.
Frick. Ooh. I'm gonna eat the lid. Okay, guys. Look at guys.
You gotta make sure that we don't have any legs in our teeth.
Bon appetit.
Our second one. I haven't filled them yet though.
Yeah.
They taste a little bit sour though.
No flavor. Eat it.
Oh, I feel so bad for this little guy.
Nah,
Look at his eyes.
don't feel bad for it. Wait, 3's not an even number.
Don't. You already ate them, didn't you? Hi. Look, the bird's over there.
Ugh.
The bag's over there. Go over there. You can actually hear the crunch. Here, I'm gonna go over there, eat this one, and then let them hear the crunch.
Now you can't probably hear it anymore, but
Yeah, because you've already chewed it. Here,
let me go over here.
I want to try to feed one of these to the birds.
No!
But you didn't let me.
Shut
I'm over here. Okay. I think this is where the sound is. I already don't like these. I can hear you. I can see you.
As you can see,
Yeah, that was the crunchiness.
I don't even know if they heard it or not.
Me neither, but oh well.
So, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. XPV Extreme out.